I love the way these drivers are going round fucking staring, look, staring. Concentrate on the road, not me, you might cause a fucking accident, you dozy cunt. It's as if no one's ever seen a cowboy in their entire fucking lives. Jesus Christ. God, give yourselves a break, please, please. Anyway, we're taking a nice long route down to the Blue Lagoon because it's the only fucking way you can get in. So, yeah. See you there when I've finished going through this maze of fucking alleyways. Right, let's just do a nice little piece walking through Hunter's Drive. I like that, and be you. I am being me. And you're still a bunch of judgmental fucking wankers. Because I don't fit inside your square little box. Fuck your box. Take holiday, get outside the box. See the world for what it really is. Believe me, if you're a sensitive disposition, you're in for a fucking shock. I don't know if that bit's going to go through or not. Yes, it is. There you go, people. Direct look into a pillar box for the post. There you go. That was what it was like inside the post office box. Fascinating. Don't ask me what it was like because I haven't got a clue. Alright, we got to leave an alleyway down there, so I'll see you in the industrial estate. Bye bye, hunters. Bye bye. Hey, monkey puzzle trees. I love them. As I've said in previous videos, I used to have one in my garden when I was a kid. And ours used to be a downside bigger than that, and we had a path. Our path was on the other side, but you can imagine it. One of them arms went right across the path. Postman kept catching his legs on it. Fucking used to hate us. Right, here we are at Barton Road Industrial Estate. And there's the entrance to good old Bluey. I like the way you keep telling footpaths closed and it fucking ain't. Hey, alright, Paddy there, boy. You gonna try and squeal at me today? You're gonna stay still. Ooh. There you go. You want a confirmation of the two areas they're concentrating on? There you go. I think they've learned to keep them away from the fences if they don't want the damn things going off every 5 minutes. Right, try and go another head. Oh, we got one, we got one, we got one.
Warning, this is security. Your presence has been detected. The owner and police have been informed.
Is that it? I'm scared, oh no, I better run away. Here we go, I'll run away. Jokes, man. Right, let's go have a look around the Bluey and see what they've done so far. Well, no real much change there. Go on, pick me up, you little fucker. Yeah. Is the gate open this time? No. And they're going to be able to stop you getting in. Like, you know, not create a big enough gap. to get through there. Look at that. Shall we? Go on, man. Blatant as hell. See how many times you can set these fuckers off. Alright there, buddy. You're not talking to me today? Oh, yes you are. Okay, fine.
Warning. This is security. Your presence has been detected. The owner and police have been informed.
Good for you. See you later. Look, okay. He's got to shoot his mouth off, hasn't he?
This is security. Your presence has been detected. The owner and police have been informed.
Everyone's laughing. Hey, someone set the fucking alarm off. Yeah! Look, the fence is down there. It's not stopping anyone from running around. Two girls up there, what are they doing? Following the path or trying to come in here? Oh God, look, we got another one. Look at that whacking great hole in that fence. It's really going to stop me in it. I bet everyone just walks around setting these fuckers off on purpose because it's funny. How do you, sir?
Warning.
You're good there, yeah?
This is security. Your presence has been detected. The owner and police have been informed.
Shut the fuck up, you electronic piece of shit. Like, what the fuck is going to stop me? Seriously, McPaddy. Sort your fucking shit out. Oh, new car park. Here we go. Bullshit. Your new bluey car park. There's plane flying up over there. So yeah guys, this is your new bluey car park. So it's kind of a bit of a new car park, incorporate with the old car park entrance. So all they've done is stuck this fucking path along the grass. Which is not being funny, when they built this place in the first, back in the 90s, maybe you should have thought of that back then. Oh, so here's your entrance. Oh, go through the railings here. So, that's pretty much it for this end. Just been chatting to some fans a minute ago. Turned around and said, what are you doing? He said, going around setting off all the fucking alarms. Why not? Bloody things are useless. What is the fucking point? Anyway, I'm going to have a little bit of walk around, do some scenic shots, etc. Enjoy. And then I'll walk my way back and we'll go back to the other cordoned off area and try and wreak havoc with that. Let's scramble. Oh shit, bit bumpy here. Sorry. Let's scramble through some bushes here. I know where we're going to come out, but I like following these new little paths that people have made to get around all these blockages and shit. Ooh. Hey, we ain't gonna fall. We ain't walking into a ruckus here, are we? Oh, what the hell? Is it me or am I about to hear a scrap on video? Am I about to get a scrap on video? Oh, I'll just come through the bush there and wonder what the fuck, what the hell, we're going to punch your lights out. Eh?
So we're trying to sort out a situation with some boy, which is Ricky. He's here. He's over there because of them two.
Oh.
And if he starts, then we're gonna scrap him. But
Oh, right, okay.
down now, so.
Alright, okay. So this is the kind of thing I need to turn the camera off?
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet. Alright, cool. Oh, I'll stop it anyway. This is a new addition to the lakeside signage. What the hell? An emergency throw line. Okay, how many people are going to sit there trying to crack the code and nick it? Or for a bit of rope. Blue Lagoon Park, 1990. No matter how much you doll this place up, some things will never change. Right, let's head down towards the lake, see who's about. And with them locked down the car park, if I start hearing a punch up, mate, I'm coming down there and I'm switching the camera on. I've already told him, if I hear him, I'm filming it. He's like, yeah, bruv. That would be great, we've got a scrap. Fucking ratings would go up, my views would go up, the subscriber count would go up. Alright, we got a few people playing football, a little bit of music. There's a few people about, even with it being dull and overcast with a massive threat of rain, but they're still out here. Fair enough. Okay. Right. Big ass party. Alright. Oh, it's got no lens throw line signs bunk up here. We got anyone daring enough to go swimming? Oh no, but it looks like we have people on boats. I swear I just saw a boat or a float or something. Boats, float, no? Oh, never mind. There you go, that's the emergency throw out line. Swans. Right, let's carry on the walk down to this yarn bit. I bet there's some woman give me the right fucking evils over my shoulder. Fuck off, bitch. I swear I saw someone on a boat. I did see somebody on a boat. Let's have a go down this little trail, see where we end up. Much better view of the lake. There you go. Oh, here's our men with boats. Or a boat or something. Where the fucking hell does this little path lead to? Nowhere. Except the fucking pond. Brilliant. Yep. Hang on. Get the camera up nice and high. He's hiding behind them reeds, but look, see? He's on a board or something. Oh, sounds like he's got his dog with him. So he's on the board and his dog's having a swim. That's nice. Oh, it's played. I thought that was thunder for a second. Oh look, no fucking surprise, whacking great big hole in the fence. Right, I'll check out this bit up here, then I'll double back, and just out of personal curiosity, I want to see exactly how much damage you've done to that fucking den we built that Jordan says everyone's literally smashed to pieces. You ungrateful little bastards. Very nice. Out my fucking way. Out of my way. Move the fucking asses. Without getting stung. Or hooked up by the brambles. And hawthorns. Everything else. Hey, it's another paddy. I just call these things paddy. Hello there.
Warning, this is security.
Do you know what? This is getting really boring now.
The owner and police have been informed.
And from the sound of that voice, so is half the Blue Lagoon. Who gives a shit? Oh, they've revamped the fence around here a little bit. I'm not going to go on the other side of the fence and walk around here. I'll just view it from the outside of this fence line here. Because, well, there's not much else you're going to see. There's another one there. See if we can do number 5. That's basically what's going on with that. Oh, here we go.
Warning, this is security. Your presence has been detected. The owner and police have been informed.
Well, that's 5. Not bad for one video. Oh, man, jokes. Right, let's go and examine what's left of the old camp. Let's get out of here without getting my legs stung to blazes. Oh, is he going to go off again? Go on, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yes. Oh, his light's shining, but he's not saying much. It's your Paddy. You're not saying an awful lot now, are ya? Fucking blow you up, you cunt. Do you know what I really want to do? Come down here with my pistol and shoot you. Then watch out. Oh, here he goes. Oh, yeah. I bid you good day, sir. Fuck off, you Irish twat. Bet you start shouting the odds once we get halfway down the fucking hill. No? Oh well. Right, I'll see you at the old encampment. Well, I can tell from this trail that people are still coming down here. Probably not as often as they used to be, but I don't think someone's been down here in a while, because these aren't bent and snapped enough recently. Let's see what we shall find, shall we? Oh, instead of taking that way, they're now all taking this way. Okay, I'm going this way then. Ow. Oh yeah, they really have wrecked the roof, kind of, a bit. Oh shit. Yeah. Well, that's the last time I ever tried doing some kind of community project for people, because no cunt seems to appreciate all the hard work you go through. Oh well. What a shame. Right, we're just going to walk back on ourselves a little bit. Well, not back on ourselves, but thought I'd just come through these woods here and we end up at the top of the hill. Let's go down. Someone set fire to that fucking tree. Well, that's the long way around. We don't really want to go the long way around, we want to go the short way around, so right down this path here. Anything exciting much happening here? No. Got still people up on the main bit. There we are, arriving back into the main bit. It's still crowded and people are still about. So there's that fence, but oh, there's a bunny rabbit running down the path, 2 of them. They're still playing football, they're still doing that. Don't know where the bloke at the raft is. I'm going to end this video here, so that's your lovely updated tour of the Bluey. Me going around setting off all the alarms, just for the sheer fuck of it. I'm now going to head home, go collect my medication and get smashed. And tomorrow, another busy week of full-time work start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And I'll see you whatever random video I do for AP2 during the week. If anything catches my eye and needs 5 minutes for filming or what have you. You know, so. Anyway, peace out people. And see you later.